Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all my assessors today. I hope you all in a good health condition. So today for my FYP presentation, I would like to present my FYP project, which is development of COVID-19 safety entrance system. Before that, my name is Abu Bakar bin Muhammad Nawawi. I'm taking Diploma Engineering Technology in Electrical and Electronics. And my supervisor name is Madam Julie Rosita binti Rosli. Okay, so development of COVID-19 safety entrance system, which is my project, actually divided by two parts. The first part is touchless body temperature scanner, and the other part is automatic hand sanitizer. My part I've done by me is touchless body temperature scanner, and other parts I have done by my partner. Okay, so for touchless body temperature scanner, among the standard operating procedures set by the government for the reopening of various business sector under Conditional Movement Control Order (CMCO) is must carrying out daily temperature checks for all staff, visitors or customers before them allowing them into the premise. But the normal body temperature scanner using a trigger is become very dangerous because of people can infect when press the temperature using a trigger. And the normal body temperature scanner are inefficient and also must be monitored by the owner periodically, causing people with symptoms can cheat enter the premise. Okay. We have for problem statement, normal body temperature scanner that people that have symptom can cheat enter the premise. The second one, people can infect when using which touch the normal body temperature, and the normal body temperature must be always monitored by the owner. Okay, so because of that, the project objective is developed to complete the three objectives below. The first one is to reduce the risk of coronavirus infection. The second one is to develop a touchless body temperature scanner which barrier using Arduino. And the last one is to design and fabricate an automatic system that can help in detecting a body temperature without touch. Okay, so we proceed with the literature review. For this part, actually we compare the normal body temperature scanner with my project, which is my part project, which is touchless body temperature scanner. Okay, the most important thing that we want to highlight is the normal body temperature scanner that people that have symptom can cheat and enter the premise. But my project, we have a barrier to prevent any people with the symptom pass it. Okay, so we proceed for the methodology. We start with the process flow for the overall system. Okay, the first one, just place our forehead near the temperature, and then body temperature scanner will automatically detect the body temperature. After that, the measurement of body temperature will display at LCD display, and then the LED light will display either rate the body temperature is below 37 or above 37. If detect below 37 means green LED will on, or above 37 means red LED will on. After that, barrier will open when the body temperature detects below 37 degrees only, and the barrier will close automatically when people has passed the barrier. And then people can use the hand sanitizer. People just place their hand at automatic hand sanitizer, and automatic hand sanitizer will automatically dispense the hand sanitizer. Okay, so this is for block diagram. This is block diagram for overall system. In this box parts is touchless body temperature with barrier parts, and the other part in the black line part is the automatic hand sanitizer with sanitizer level parts. So we proceed with the block diagram for touchless body temperature scanner with barrier, which is my parts. Okay, actually for these parts we have three input section using three different sensor. The first one is IR proximity sensor that detect an object. The second one is infrared temperature sensor that detect the body temperature, and the ultrasonic sensor is detect the distance from the target objects. And we have five output section. The first one is LCD display will display the measurement of the body temperature, and buzzer will beep when the body temperature have been detected. And we have 7 green LED, 2 LED at the temperature, and 5 LED at the barrier. And red LED, we have red LED, 2 red LED at the barrier. And servo motor is function as a barrier to open and close the barrier. Okay, so this is our flowchart for the touchless body temperature scanner. Okay, actually this flowchart is summarized of the process flow. We have 3 sensor: IR proximity sensor, infrared temperature sensor, and ultrasonic sensor. Okay, for IR proximity sensor, we have 2 condition. Infrared temperature sensor, we have 2 condition: above 37 and below 37. And ultrasonic sensor, we have also 2 condition: below 20 centimeter and above 20 centimeter. Okay, so we proceed with the circuit diagram. This is final circuit diagram for touchless body temperature scanner. Okay, so we proceed. We start. After that, we start construct all component. We have construct and test before we assemble into a casing. That's we can see that in this box is my parts, which is touchless body temperature scanner parts, and the other parts is automatic hand sanitizer parts in the outside of the box. Okay. After that, okay, we have in this construction, we have tried and verified many times to make sure all the components have functioned well. And in this construction, we construct the system by one by one system. We start one by one part, which is we start with infrared temperature sensor part. Then after complete that, we add the IR proximity sensor part. And lastly, we add the servo motor parts. Okay, actually, as many times we have been construct this circuit. Okay, and so after that, so we start soldering parts. We start solder all the component on the strip board, and we combine all ground and VCC into the 2 different lines. Mean 1 line for VCC and 1 line for ground pins. And then we connect all the Arduino into the connect all pin into the Arduino boards. And then this picture is a complete construct in the casing look like. And this picture is LCD display and LED light after installation. Okay, so this we proceed with the project coding. Actually, we have 4 different coding that's combined together into a one complete coding. Okay. We have IR proximity sensor parts coding. Second one is infrared temperature sensor coding, and then barrier parts coding, and then last one is ultrasonic sensor detect people coding. Okay, actually the normal the basic of Arduino for coding, we have void setup and void loop. But in this coding, we add the new function void barrier detect is whatever we can change whatever name. But we create a name barrier detect. So while we create this function, we just call into the our coding like that's barrier detect, and automatically will this function will reach the decoding will reach that function. Okay, so we proceed with the product sketch. This is our product sketch for overall system. We design and fabricate with engineering, design and sketch with engineering specification. And then our casing, we using the 3D design. This is our 3D design for touchless body temperature scanner. Actually, for touchless body temperature scanner, we have 2 parts, which is front parts and main body parts. Okay, we're using this completes in Tinkercad apps. Okay, so next for 3D printed casing, this is the front part looks like and main body parts look like. And when the casing is printed using using the Ultimaker Cura, and then when the casing is printed, it's been printed, we must polish. We polish the side and corner to make polish the side and corner using paper knife to make to make a neat and tidy the casing. And next, the barrier, we also design the barrier. Barrier is just a prototype. We make to make use more useful and interesting. We using a tape to make a line of black and yellow. And then after complete one system, to look more practical and tidy, we wrap our project using wallpaper stickers. Okay. So for significant result, all part of system is function well without errors. And then which after we combine with automatic hand sanitizer, the system is functioning well, and the barrier is operated by moving open and close to prevent any people with the symptom pass it. And this is final packaging using 3D printed. In the top is touchless body temperature scanner, and then automatic hand sanitizer looks like, and the bottom is barrier parts. Okay, so for the conclusion, all the project objective has been achieved, and this project can reduce the risk of coronavirus infection. Next, be able to develop a touchless body temperature scanner with barrier using an Arduino. And then beside that, the design of an excellent automated system can help detect body temperature without contact, means non-contact temperature. And then this project also suitable to use at any premise. And then lastly, to ensure this project can be done smoothly without any problem, with troubleshoot also the important thing to know the problem of the project. Okay, so this is my Gantt chart, our Gantt chart for to complete this project. And then let's break the COVID-19 chains together. We must win. Thank you. So we proceed with demo video. Our project name is Development of COVID-19 Safety Entrance System. LCD will display scan temperature here. First condition is body temperature above 37. Detect the object. Red LED will on. Servo motor not function mean barrier cannot open. Second condition is body temperature below 37 degrees. Detect the object. LCD will display the measurement of body temperature. At the same time, buzzer will beep. At the same time, green LED will on. After that, 5 green LED at barrier will run sequentially, and then servo motor will open the barrier. Ultrasonic sensor will detect distance people pass the barrier, and then servo motor will close the barrier. Before close, 5 green LED will off simultaneously. And this is complete operation system of our development of COVID-19 safety entrance system. Okay, so barrier will close. Okay, next we can use our hand sanitizer. Okay, this is our progress. This is our 3D printer casing look like. This is touchless body temperature scanner. And this is automatic hand sanitizer. And this is barrier part. And in the bottom we have ultrasonic sensor. I have been trying this system. Okay, my temperature is below 37 degrees Celsius. Barrier will open. Barrier automatically close after I through the barrier. And I use the hand sanitizer after that. And have done.